Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious tacusas. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. We're going to begin by making our adobo marinade by crushing a piece of cinnamon stick and all of our spices that will be linked in the description box. Once we have our spices pulverized, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of achiote paste, salt, 5 garlic cloves, a half of a small white onion, 6 hydrated New Mexico chile pods, 2 hydrated chile anchos, 2 chile chipoles in adobo sauce, a 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and 3/4 of a cup of water. Now we're going to blend until we have a smooth adobo sauce. Once we have our adobo sauce, we're going to pour it over our meat. Here I have 4 pounds of beef flap steak chopped. To that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and all of the adobo sauce. Make sure that you cover all of the meat. Now we're going to cover it and allow it to marinate overnight or for at least 6 hours. After 6 hours, we're going to allow our meat to come to room temperature. Meanwhile, we're going to make our masa. In a bowl, we're going to mix 5 cups of instant corn masa, 2 teaspoons of salt, and water. For the water, we're just going to add it slowly until the masa is well hydrated. Once it's hydrated, now we're going to knead for 5 minutes. Our masa should feel nice and soft, and you're going to know it's ready once you roll it into a small ball. You press it down and it doesn't crack on the edges. And once our masa is ready, we're going to allow it to rest. Make sure that you cover it so it don't dry out. And meanwhile, we can get our filling ready. I'm going to be using refried beans and queso Oaxaca. So we're going to shred that queso. And once we have it ready, we can get ready to stuff our pupusas. We're going to begin by grabbing a large ball of dough, roll it to form a ball, then dip your fingers in oil and rub the dough. Then begin to flatten it out to form a ball. Then we're going to grab the beans and stuff it along with the cheese. Now we're going to close our masa to form a ball again. Remove the excess masa, roll it to form a smooth ball, then begin to flatten it out using the palm of your hands and the tip of your fingers just to form a large disc. Now make sure you cover them so they don't dry out, and once we have all of our pupusas ready, we can get ready to begin cooking. We're going to grab our griddle or pan, set it on medium heat, and add a little bit of oil. Once the oil is hot, we're going to add half of an onion, and then we're going to add our meat. I like to cook my meat in batches, so like that I know it cooks evenly. And we're just going to cook the meat for 6 minutes or until it's fully cooked. Meanwhile, we're also going to cook our pupusas. So set your comal on medium heat and cook each side for 3 minutes. And once our pupusa is fully cooked, we're going to remove it from the comal, set it on a kitchen towel, and repeat the process to the rest of the pupusas. And once our meat is done, we're going to remove it from the comal and repeat the process to the rest of the meat. And once we have everything ready, we can put our pupusa together. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I am so ready. I love pupusas, I love tacos, so this is just the best of both worlds. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, super delicious. This is everything you want in one. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious tacusas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.